Captain Sunil Chetty to this press conference. Coach, I'll start with a question for you. What are your thoughts on the game tomorrow?
I can put hi everyone first of all. It's great to see so many people. Thank you for coming in numbers. It's great to see so many of you here. That's exactly the reason why we all insisted to have this game played in Kolkata. And now, knowing that this will be also the last game of our captain for his national team, that makes the occasion much, much bigger. But I would love to stay focused on what we need to do, because of course we're going to celebrate soon as last game, but this is about India winning against Kuwait, and I will put it all in few words. We are ready. We are ready for it.
Coming to Sunil, of course, a lot has been said about this being your last game, but we all know you're focused on the match itself. So, what kind of preparation are you taking for it?
Good afternoon, everyone. I think most of us have met already 20 days back, and we have spoken about my last game. That's done. We are here only and only to speak about Kuwait and India. And as the coach said, we are ready. The last 15-20 days has been really good. Thankfully, all of us are on the same page now in terms of fitness, and I think we all are ready, and it's a good headache for the coach to have.
Okay, we'll start taking questions.
Longer camp helps because we come from different mentalities in the club. So whatever difference you see is probably because we stay for a longer time. It gives you much more time to work on details. Whenever he says that, what he really means is don't stress. The last time. So I think what he means is we get a little bit more time on work. If there is only 5 days, then you don't get, let's say, multiple days to work on set pieces. But if there are 3 weeks, then you might get 2 or 3 days to work on set pieces. Small details. It's not life-changing, but it gives you a little bit more confidence. So that is why the longer camp helps, and that's why he advocates for longer camps. And I hope what we could achieve in the last years prior to that, the 1.5 months, whatever, I hope these 3 weeks can also give us the same dividends.
Coach, I want to ask you regarding Kuwait. How do you see it as an opposition? Who are the players to look out for, danger players? And do you think their height advantage would pose an additional challenge? And second question to Sunil sir, if we manage a win tomorrow, would you reconsider to be there? Thank you. We all hope you do.
No sir, the seats are made. I'm going to go to watch a voice play. I'm not somebody who just says something that comes in my mind. I might look like that, but I think a lot. I've thought about it a lot. I've given it my thought. It's been 19 years, I had a great ride. This is it. So I just don't like the if in your question. So when we win tomorrow, no, I will not. But I will go as a fan, and wherever the team plays, I'll support it. But thank you.
Yes, about Kuwait. It's not only about height. They have great individual quality in their team, which we need to be well aware of. We need to take care of these players which are there to make difference with their individual quality. Also, they have a loss of their best striker. We are without Sandesh, as you know, so it's 1 by 1 on each side. And it's difficult to say. They impressed me with their last performance against Qatar, to be honest. They raised the level of their game to a certain standard which might worry me a little bit, but watching my boys day by day, training and committing themselves and having self-belief, which is needed for such games, I'm in peace. Absolutely.
Fantastic boys have joined the camp this time. Edmund in particular has been getting a lot of good reviews. Could you please, question for both of you, what are the qualities that you've seen in players like Edmund that can give us promise for the future?
They are great assets for the Indian football future. I can tell you that, both of them, David and Edmund, had adapted to the squad, to the drills, to environment in a very, very good way. They became the essential part of our 25-27 squad. They will be competing for their minutes, and that's what they do each training session. Tomorrow, of course, I will take out the best what India has at the moment. Today, tomorrow. Not the last month, what was the best. Now, at this moment, what is needed for us to win the game. And I told the boys, whoever is on the bench, I pointed out one problem which I noticed, we all noticed probably, that since Kuwait game, which we won away, we didn't have any positive impact from any player who was coming from the bench. And that was terrifying for me as a coach. So that was well noted. I pointed out that to the boys because many times the bench players are more important than those who start the game. So we are, and the boys are well aware of that. I know it's not easy for the coach to make the final decision about starting 11, but that's my job. I do it with pride and honor here, always trusting those who I put to come out on the pitch first, but also trusting those on the bench that they will do their job when I call their name. That needs to be done tomorrow.
Sunil, your thoughts on the 2 points?
I think the only good thing is all these players, David, Edu, Manveer, even though he doesn't like to be the striker, Raheem, Sarthak came, we got Shiva. All these number 9s are very different in nature, which is a good thing. So whenever the coach needs different aspects, he can get different things from these number 9s. Sadly, not many of them play as number 9 all and out all the games in ISL, but that's their fight, that they're going to fight it out. But once they do that, the good thing is all the 6, 7 and many other youngsters are very different in nature from each other. So that gives more variety to the coach to choose from.
Okay, very good afternoon, Thomas from
And national team, and we did not have this opportunity, this juncture that we have now. I hope this press conference doesn't reach the boys because I can feel goosebumps. I hope they don't, because I want them relaxed tomorrow. But this is huge. This is huge because once we win it, Vimanda, you know what's there, so things will change. It's not going to be magical, but it's going to be magical also. So I think no pressure on us, but one thing is for sure, we're going to give everything tomorrow. And I hope we can enjoy, all of us at the end, all of us in it. It was never about me, it will never be about me. I would love to get a 1-0. I don't care if the big scores or a middle scores. You will not care, no one cares. You just want to win the game, my friend. Anyone tomorrow from the blue side, from Indian side, scores a goal, on the other side, not an own goal, we are happy. I'm not sure whether you understand how big it's going to be. I think you do, but I don't think you do because once we win it's huge. It's huge. We're going to be the 3rd round and anyone scores. If I score good, we'll be happy. Anyone scores.
Next question.